Welcome to this exquisite 2,525 square foot haven of luxury and comfort, nestled in the heart of a prime location. With 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and an additional office space, this home offers a perfect blend of sophistication and functionality. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by high ceilings that create an airy and spacious ambiance throughout the home. The well-appointed kitchen boasts an abundance of cabinets and generous counter space. Indulge in the grandeur of the primary bathroom, featuring truly expansive walk-in shower, a separate soaking tub, and 2 separate vanities, all designed to create a spa-like retreat within your own home. The primary suite also offers a luxury of 2 walk-in closets, ensuring ample storage for your wardrobe. Each secondary bedroom offers a spacious closets, allowing for both comfort and organization. The 4th bedroom, discreetly tucked away, enjoys the privilege of its own private full bath, making it an ideal arrangement for guest or live-in family member. Stepping outside, a generously sized covered back patio beckons you to unwind and entertain in style. The epoxy-coated concrete floor ensures both elegance and durability. Nestled within the prestigious Navarro School District, this home provides access to top-notch educational opportunities. The combination of award-winning schools and this luxury home offers a lifestyle of convenience and excellence.